entertainment, education. PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Yo, people. I go by the name DJ Dipsy, and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience.
Obi benya wa na efi yade adofo ne ebusia be po wa na efi yade impo so wo keni nso ho be fno wa na efi yade kroya enu na midi program awonwaso amatu ni din Apomuden Akwantu mitremu a the journey of health mede bremo wasaju mediemu ye be nyama bebre ebi no yen psychological condition mitrema our mental health well-being ye be sanshia ye medical condition ye physical aspect nyama ye be ya edi impuntu bebre ye nipadua ene ya Apomuden wasaju mediemu nso ye betun safre ekukudam expert people learned people senior be ya ye no mo be sinkondwa ye no matena se ehia ade no matre ye nyama ye be ya ebe boa ye nipadua no ho na ba kokora eye mede ye sex life which because our mental health is stable na physical aspect is stronger. When sex is so sweet and amazing. Was I do so and yet the bia and your best studio so a to the bia your beko mountain so your beko if you fimo market in sorry hospitals any baby biara siame lady titi our PACO TV if yadana if ye de biara 11 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. Ni ancho chenkomo ni ye hwedro so wo pesa won sponsor program we ya emane iya wodadwene so wo ya market seller ni so wo ya ejuma of pharmacy so wo ya ejuma of hospital doctors for lawyers for lots of companies for any biaye bebre ejuma ahu bebre you can sponsor this program send ye be ya ye bedu echu makra mo hia me abrani abrebia medamase
me mamu nyina akwa baba eye PACO TV munim say I do every Friday and na the journey of health dwumedie and am some full lady titi me de bremo na ene die enye mu die ni bia se kutu se bam we de men kano asantefo aka de meka na ekwia pem akade enye mu die ni bia enye mu health show ni bia ende ni de mu bam se kutu se bam na ye toa so a munim say ye nko na de bia ye sa adwumedi we have sponsors are supported this show every Friday na ye koye ni ma na nyame ye Joyce Fashion so ope baby apam atare papa pam so de beko funeral engagement wedding birthday party sorry baby biara ye hye atare ko bia na nyame ye Joyce Fashion na chiri kwan wo eye Kubase DA and MA primary school ho in Chimwa na eho no nso wotonton clothes fabrics bebre ope be kente anything clothes bia nyame Joyce Fashion udru ne nchen or the bema near to us so Paddy's mother care but the weather no de no ho aba into abundance answer results near pregnancy nso ba kwala no ho renda ho kwatere kwa na eso ototo no hunyama into so pe baby papa atoto yan kwala nyama na ye Paddy's mother care obehu ne twa kwan so wo amonochrome Ritas Cosmetics honam sono honam sardine so pesa honam onye sono na ye sardine na sika nkasa utwemu a na obi a hye when the she besi utwemu na obi e twa ne na president say na minister say na PACO na ohyewa Ritas Cosmetics honum bibi biara ye ka honam say your body splash hair cream body cream bibi lotion bibi biara Ritas Cosmetics ono so behu nature akwan wo late PSTS opposite honum na original enye fake no stretch marks nothing so wo sra ni nkwambe so body no ekasa na ye gigimoma wo na ye to so a oye talk to me building and construction late kronia beka say oye uni mi biri ana ni biri ana meti me ngwe ni oye talk to me building and construction oye kasa chere me talks building and construction e ho no ope adan ho nyama oye talk to me building and construction say roofing sheets iron rods any nyama bebre ono nso owo latte fire service opposite ho a uduro ho a obisa na se a obi biara beka ne ho asam no ma chew ne chi kwan de bia ya de we escape me mo fan cheme ene de me di shame trim de shame koto dwem say hook or crook me bo ma baso say latte crony si see etumpon o hye yen kwan no in fact latte is improving na ni nyina na ye de aseda pace ye ma eye latte road lobby group 4 o ma ya de yiye chese bo mo de bo latte crony de ye ma money yo we dey say kutu say ba ma ye mo de ni bia enye moa ni bia yen de ni bia latte road lobby group 4 na ye de aseda kese come out na ene no yan topic ne de gigim ano wo hye obi asuro na ansa na kwan po a me introduce me guest no ma yentwa ye ho sema na yenu nsuomra me nko bebia
of TV.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Wasa dwumadie mu so enye de bia na ye be studio so eto de bia ye be ko mountain so ye be ko efiefi mu market
me sanso mama kwa baba PACO TV Fridays na the journey of health Apomuden Akwantu in a medebra mesraw say afiansa na obe join in life na mesraw e ya share comment what na enye pesa me nkumi tie na enye pesa me nkumi hye check na afofo nso hu de ekọ if say about journey of health dia yen de no e solid na ye ka na ewom enye omode ni bia yen de ni bia PACO TV yen de ye health no e de mu foa se na me di kan ye no enne ye ndwumedie yi so no in so many ye vets no oni se wo didi adidi ne ntam because that day what one wo sheki na say yerade me nkwa check here na ene nso yet ye initial at a clinic health center honom ye nyaye mamme no wasua de akwa echi unse me can promise him that had ye the expert people na eba omo menya experience in eba show you so into the experience officer ba kope nursing officer ba kope in charge papa in charge otia fema na asase no so gigim inti aba pese obebo ni din na we introduce na ho kakra mama ma wakwa baba PACO TV so na ahade is all about health because health is our priority. Your health is your concern. So mo slogan I say na ya mo concern so nurses phone be why concern no
me pacho your health our concern.
Oh yeah sure dear
Miss your health our concern.
You be back
on na your concern
sa
pacho
because na ya nurses phone be chiro mo ho dear I know wash
titi nursing is a calling.
Nti ebi mo han ya calling no
pacho your calling titi e face here.
Into my first day we go doing kakra I don't know what train your experience in the job the challenges and near person into adwumedie so
okay ye di kan me chia wo ahwefo ni na ye frame me gisam atwefi me senior nursing officer public health e wo late ye ka public health ye ka ye nyina ya Apomuden me na me hwe late sub district ne so ma fe be kum e na late sub district ne so me ye juma currently me office wo late health center the mobile late health center me wo me share anything concerning health e wo late kure so it is here so yam ya hona
late na mpacho with a nursing career no experience na ya hewo
titi my juma check if you been on your buy until give or take my juma getting close to 12-13 years.
Hey
yeah
Wow, that is why you feel so comfortable.
Oh yeah.
In the job you are doing.
Yeah.
Would you end calling Angasa?
Titi.
With no missed call.
Oh, Titi.
You really wanted to do your job.
Oh yeah. It's a passion.
It's a passion.
Yeah.
Because me not crack as I communicated the way James, and it was so amazing. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
So on our show, no, and dinner dear officer, but you need simple name here.
Titi. What do you friend me Gisam?
She's Sam.
No.
She's Sam. Not SNS. Why don't? Just Sam. Okay. Into and on our topic, you know, me per se, and cause for HIV/AIDS. I know so with HIV/AIDS, need you be at see and now we mashomo. Yes. So, see, I can see HIV. What is the full meaning of HIV/AIDS?
Titi, HIV is human immunodeficiency syndrome.
Okay.
And a virus. And you're trying to see HIV. But say virus idea yen fa ye niwa ehu. Nti yen to mean sure say o ebia say what they won safa table so na wo hwe efi won sa eno ne virus there be. Yen fa ye ni ehu. Ena immunodeficiency no e tre say o say yan kasa ye ni pedua no. Ye wo soldiers, yan fa say soldiers a mo boy ho man. Inti o hwe ye ni pedua ni ma so nya yare wa bia na ye de call hospital. Sometimes to me nya common cold and I will be one no medro bia be hwe no na ye den na e ko bisa won say den e bae body ni immune system no e na ye den e na akoati asayare wo ti say ka deficiency a that shows say sa system yi na ho de ye den aba fem kakra e na e ka human na unim say ye ankasa eni pedua no ti e bubu mo.
Okay. Any madam nursing officer actually the meaning of HIV. Medical catch himself for our down because today we are coming to learn. And this topic so what me sunyana the ball bra ubenyache. Okay. So you say HIV is a transmitted disease, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Ebi mo say true kissing. Ebi mo say true sex. Ebi mo say se kan na blade chow. Na o fat blade now use so ubenya bi. Ebi mo say even atari shame. Ebi mo say support. But what experience nurse there? How is HIV is transmitted?
HIV is a year It is one of the sexually transmitted diseases. You can sexually transmitted as sebe. A man mema kite diemu. Sex.
Okay.
True sex.
So omo
de da. Eno emma ho kwan emma HIV eba.
Okay.
Now mom HIV virus no. It is one of the viruses. It is spread through semen. Bema hunsio. Vaginal fluids. Oba hunsio no. Blood. Breast milk no funsio. But if you mama you say it doesn't spread through saliva. Because yen tosio no, yankopon born in such a way say there was some chemicals that inhibited virus from thriving around our mouth. Into through kissing there, maybe a sharing a cup or sharing spoons and those things there, Darby. If you remember, you will say doesn't HIV virus doesn't spread through those intercourse with or those contacts with people. Nemu nia mama ya ti ase ne say through any act ye ma ho kwan ema obi humoja ene wodie efra bia exposes you to HIV.
Okay.
Make us sharing of sharps now okay. It's one of the ways. Yevani say me no wotifie we twa mo wie me wa me si o ama wo twa mo wie ni wie ye fa blade ne ma me na me fa twa me de ama twa mo wie no aye den blade na ye de twa no won ka o wie ye o de ba ye me so ma ye den me di twa me moja fra ye den aba needle ah yeah na say mebu na womaba almost say yam here the drug trials obeko school yes you needle back na ye den ye share on say can't it ye ba ye starting nursing no na ye share needles ube on hospital panya na de be wo no na ye share institution mu na de wo be fofo but say see no you will disposable needles single use. Okay. So say in case we share some needles now ma ho kwan ama the HIV man na ye aba omojini. But 99% of HIV transmission occurs through sexual intercourse.
Unprotected
sexual intercourse.
Okay. Internal trauma so nipa ni use condom. See did their own.
Me pa cho condom is a barrier.
Okay.
Pa cho say atiase. So me say barrier bibi a esi bibi ho kwan.
Okay.
Inti say have sex na me use condom. Know that we are not exchanging anything in that sexual intercourse. Oba ni hunsio enka bema ni hunsio enka oba. So that's the safest way of preventing any sexually transmitted disease. But it's not 100%.
Because to me pie.
Because yes, ebi won say omo to me she ni ye.
Ni o say na ye share
me pa cho an.
Ateta.
It is an act.
Okay. Officer Mayanti has said they transmitted, no, the major one is sexual intercourse. So please, the most practice chastity, no, because chastity is the total abstinence from sex until marriage. But anyway, Omar say, see fanya me asem, say Holy Mary, dear Mr. Because of HIV/AIDS and its real winter, no, please use condom. But she was so crying about fast so share and the next time you will see the proper way of wearing condom. So matter there. They say could say about I got to us you see in any chronic disease or any diagnosis via your signs and symptoms. You knew be with your bones are not a coffee. We will have hand assaulted. Because was it or lost appetite to me didn't and assaulted. So with HIV/AIDS no. What is the main symptoms, signs that actually say this person it will HIV/AIDS?
Lady Titi.
Yes, ma'am.
One of the problems I have with the fight of HIV is signs and symptoms. In that, when we say unya malaria, within 2 weeks, 1 week, obemuna or start any signs and symptoms. They are now one issue. Okay. That is malaria. Okay. But with HIV, said your medical your immune system.
But your immune system no being says I don't know white blood cell on a red blood cell nana.
For understanding, to say their medical immune system is soldiers.
Okay.
Young fan is only soldiers, a more mobile young.
Okay.
So what you say? Oh, Bible, and my etias say. So ko odindi for fie na opese udi ni so be any opese wi ani nyama obe any day obe chichire odindi for meboa it is a virus ni even they say ne I had a sexual intercourse with obi or HIV na my exposed to virus na my immune system high intino within some few months years Minda shindi pachosa wati ase akopim time asa virus here to me adori bebre edi immune system ni sunkuni eno no obehwe common cold ka wunya nka body ni betumi akoetia no afi wunya sa cough na cold na enko obehwe na rashes anansi
okay
abegu hu bebre. Now when we say we skin no sesa.
Okay.
Didi nso unya kese. Try ko pelhwe na wo so ye den se. Ahonde a fe na ahonde unyi bi. At that time no, who say your immune system na ye den aba fem. Enu ti na ama ho kwan ama saa nsusanso nyina ye den da ni ho edi.
Okay.
Into Uber hospital, your first question the baby son say, Then and our immune system na yede abafem.
Okay.
And our first suspect is always HIV.
Okay.
If I just say at most of the time, depending on your immune system, before you start showing signs and symptoms,
Okay.
and when you had you will not show any signs and symptoms. Say, one by hospital, am I young check you? But when your system is not buffer, you will start with fever.
Okay.
Ube una why share not diarrhea. We unexplained.
Okay.
One more ORS what we are seeing now so sad diarrhea rain day. One no me droning now so diarrhea name call.
Okay.
Sudden weight loss.
Okay.
Titi, just how we to send me. Now all of a sudden, my phone I be here to say you. Obi whom you say wow. And then AC, and everybody's mind goes first to AIDS.
Okay.
If I just say cough, what? Ube bo wasa, ube beka say, hey, when you're TB. Sometimes then you TB. If I just say that is HIV.
So with the HIV and AIDS, can you please give us the differences?
HIV, a human immunodeficiency virus.
That virus need around my own form.
Immediately a virus need you don't show any signs and symptoms. It will not. You are not in the A stage yet.
Okay.
But say you in term, am I treating in term? Na ubehuna o statistics will show signs and symptoms na ya classifying the same way you be a friend acquired immunodeficiency syndrome.
Okay.
And then your friend AIDS.
Okay.
Most of the time AIDS near a later stage of the infection.
Okay, and I want to ask this thing. We are still on the signs and symptoms now. For how long in a bit takey, say maybe 1 month, 2 months, a bit take you will say the symptoms is showing. For how long?
City. Different you, different me.
Okay.
If I just say you know immune system making one thing. City, I and you can be exposed the same day. But I might end up showing symptoms faster than you because my infection, my immunity na then abafem.
Okay.
But mostly your back testing acha and Ghana. If you get exposed today, your tester we can detect say HIV from 4 weeks to 12 weeks.
Okay.
3 months. Acha 3 months. All our test results showed give us chance for us to know say when you're HIV.
Okay. So with the signs and symptoms in the officer can yes, because there's no obia ne brea ebeba. So please, you have to take note of it. So almost a rash is be coughing here, abnormal cough. Because when you say headache be abnormally, and so we now run it to the hospital. Now uncle take you with test near you. But me won't say HIV no casano, AIDS no, you profusu. But just still no one jail, dear no.
Titi.
Profusu say no.
Oh, I thought that I was saying evolving with the world. So what I say? You started HIV way back in 1986.
Okay.
1986 you who your first HIV case in March.
Okay.
Look at the years. Abefo have entered HIV management. Sisi ya ye won no wo ho. Ankrofo no ma. Titi yanka ncho se nipa we wo HIV, you never know. Because oma ye fine. Gone were those days you who that A stage town. But right now they are not there again. And yes, I'm cold. But no me draw. I must see oma ye then, oma ye fine.
Okay.
Gone were those days who HIV now onyema. You definitely give birth to a child with HIV.
Yes.
But we have HIV positive mothers giving birth to HIV negative babies.
Because of
medications.
Okay.
It's any hubium.
Okay.
Any hubium.
Not true breastfeeding.
Yes.
akola no nya
Me pacho obenya.
say oh you are positive to HIV.
Breast milk is one of the mediums and it immediately transmits HIV.
The name says akola ye man no phone.
Your mom no phone but you see there are rules and regulations attached to everything.
Oh.
If I just what you say. It is a way HIV positive mother. Now you who are ANC and you start to drone in them.
No more catch a pregnant woman.
Yes.
That's who family.
Debbie, you see, Titi, there is something we call counseling.
Okay.
Before you better go, you be here with HIV. You know what's in us a casa.
Okay.
We talk to you, you understand. Because if you understand something, what's BBS, oh yeah, you are coming with.
Okay.
So I tell
Okay.
So we talk to them.
Okay.
And then you are testing. See, you testing positive. You see, go where those days, you test now you're positive. We take you through counseling 3 months. And some of better tell you 3 months, what the support person beba. And so say, see, I see test and treat. You tested one, you must say we are positive. You know what has happened, your mom will do not call. So I tell you, in this pregnancy period now, won't know me droning in. Na I say a drone than no barrier. Prevent HIV virus no from reaching the baby. Okay. You too for to say okwa be wo hospital because immediately I won you will dry the makola. At that instant, answer now be breastfeed over.
Okay.
So what I say within that period, side drone the makola within that 3 months, 6 months, and 3 months, it's also serving as a barrier between the breast milk. In one or more breast milk, you started off the first year, stop breastfeeding because or started saying the same if you are waiting at a cow. Not the emoji then, so you stop at a point. And not just a won't breastfeed you, but you can breastfeed your baby, but I won't breastfeed you longer. To say will be our own HIV. Systems are in place. Systems, your structures are yet to me at the boy your mobile.
Okay.
It's a new biome, Titi, a new biome.
Okay. Officer say HIV in new biome. Intimacy ramo. I am on tested. Why? Oh, her cram on tested. Mumen shrew. Mut me tested pregnancy. But mut me tested HIV. Mutumi koto condom. Mutumi testing HIV. Mutumi koto post no 2. Lydia. Bako be 72. Level 2. Minimum I don't say me use na machine my entire house my cover better I accommodate so.
Like the alphabet letter Z. Tell them it's nothing about so.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV.
Like the alphabet letter Z. Tell them it's nothing about so.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Me sanso mama kwa ba biomba PACO TV and the show na no so no aye dan kasa. We den ye mu die ni bia e se kutu se bam e kwia pemfo akade e ba Apomuden nsama e kwia pemfo e demu e kome 1 because PACO TV die no size na ya to asa mesira mo share na mo like na mo comment wate na ne de yesunya de HIV nko ade mesira mo share link and we dey share the link Mother say, now crofun sunya de wate. Now more abstaining from sex. Someone to be so abstaining, please people should protect yourself because HIV is real. As I say, but who's the officer now who say, who's the crofun show say, so will be what HIV they get neglected. Yembeino, yenen kasa. I na depression at chini pano. Now who's say, I don't know ni pano crafon.
Titi. But because my friend is stigma.
Okay.
Oh, the way I see ways of transmission. Obia dream and say once I went HIV, that's just to collaborate the same and I had wedding. But most of the time, I can bet you one sexual act alone can predispose you to get HIV.
Only one.
Only one. It doesn't take 10,000 sexual intercourse. Only one sexual intercourse between them and
But he said you to normal, but not per multiple dating.
Me pacho only some multiple dating. And only one of the issues are intina yen to mean HIV so kuninga.
Because young boy better 10.
Say youth no almost person yen kasa about abstinence. Because if you talk about abstinence, who say we are weird. I say we free planets. Baby, because yes, color mental. It's talking about abstinence to the youth doesn't work.
Okay.
So what next? The second option, be faithful
To your partner.
to a faithful partner.
Thank you. Be faithful to a faithful, the underlying word. Faithful partner. Munjai cheating. I want to person muscle.
Titi.
Yes.
Faithful partner.
Faithful partner.
Well, share. The statistics are more scary than you are hearing.
Yeah.
Share. As of 2024, the people of number of people living in Ghana with HIV, 334,000 plus.
Waiting on one.
Yes. And you see, out of that 334,000, almost 18,000 plus below the age of 15 years.
Wow. Wow.
So are we saying someone below the age of 15 years, sex and a moment HIV? No. If your mama and papa. But this category of people, they are the people that we should focus on now. Because I don't know they won't. Obeti fears is here, can say, oh, HIV there. Any ministry here. Look, Titi, Yanina, you won't call out.
Yeah.
I can say I'm a mother. I mean mommy by HIV. But don't forget, says it's a generation now woman. Answer na woman than who partner na omukwakoware. Omukwakoware. Kese, partner ne bebo kokoko. Answer na woman than who akola na.
So ma brumu.
Thank you. It imagine says partner na urban or HIV.
How would you know? When
I don't know the day and do who fear.
Where do?
It's HIV yen na yan consent. So what I say, and you say obi akobo akohwibra ntina wenya HIV. No. There are people like omwan bo akohwibra o. But they have it. There are people like omwan bo akohwibra omu ni HIV.
I think the life is unfair.
So you see, let's stop this stigma of putting those people with HIV in one bracket. Emwa, share the way I call hospital I catch say what hypertension, or diabetes, who piena esumeti bisa say oh me call esimenya hypertension. I didn't know who pie oba na catch say what HIV. To me pie ese me call esimenya HIV.
Of very so beka oshrompo. Because ochina ko bewu.
But I don't know the day no say only pani to make can na yet to me share ni pani crime na onu medua you will be a friend viral load suppression. At that state no emwani ne nam nipa ni mojimu but onto me infection in the mo be fufo. Eno na ye nyina wo say ye nyina ye de ye hwe. So what you say you to me ma ye encourage sa 334,000 plus in ko for say no nyina do viral load suppression. A generation will come and there will be nothing like HIV among them. Because they are cash. But as you may see what but catch also with HIV. Okay, you want to tell your partner. Your partner no be check you. When you say ya say me, whoa, when you HIV person de mami, me ni we jai. Oni ni we jai. Obeka ko fo bi fufu.
Person so dey amalo.
Na san ni nipa no say dey e dey akomo bi fufuro. Then we are spreading. I don't know the day no. All the root cause of that spreading is stigma. Enu ti no nipa no wa. Onko kan share ni partner. Me ne won ti dey mu ala. Akopem say my partner ne be dey ebenya. Okay. Inti na ndie me dey menka. Na yetim. Ubehu this partner you go on. Obe yare hospital no oka che ni wenya HIV onu so me jimi we ka say me so me kan che me partner no mutu ni nyina etim
I know some town be in a eba so many this HIV is, and I heard say media pharmacy. Yes, I don't know whether it's true or not. A pharmacy say media men can't show be I mean spread it. That it was a lady who was saying I saw the town.
Yeah. And no na say a youth no more year.
It's spread it.
And no na youth in year. Currently we have over 18,000 youth 0 to 19 years or more
HIV.
At the end of the day, if they have some mentality, no, me HIV, me kwami and they may spread. You see, one funny thing about HIV, so they say, hey, let's look at the sexual acts in person. Okay. Say you're having sex. Bear what do? They give, they don't take. So, what you're bad now, see me HIV may spread there. Why are you spreading it to the man? You can have sex with 10,000 men. Once you are fully lubricated, they will not get HIV.
Because they give.
Because they give, they don't take. At the end of the day, if the person has HIV1, HIV2, you alone, you are opening up yourself. Well, if you are open by a machine, say, oh, when you are HIV strand 1.
Okay, do we have the stages in HIV?
Yeah, we have stages in HIV. And we have types of the HIV virus.
Okay.
We have the type 1 and the type 2.
Okay.
The type 2 is not common, but it's predominant among the West Africans. But it's not common. Do you understand? So, most of the ones we have now is HIV1. Okay. So, let's say you have HIV1 is easily controlled. Okay. Now, what about say me spread it? Obako sure be away HIV2. I am to mean control or the back one.
That's all the HIV double.
Yes, now work it HIV1 and 2. One need your drive between 2 no. The donor society the same drug near Ghana. One drug for all. Tell none of the Bemanti and control here. And you are
I don't say drug and no boarding.
Oh, it's
we
not
take
for
it
sale.
3 days. That's what I heard.
No, you see, HIV treatment in Ghana is free.
Okay.
Now, currently, HIV treatment is free. From testing to the drugs, it's free.
Why is it free?
You see, it was free because we want to prevent spreading.
It is free because the youth will chop themselves because they know it's free. And the booby to so said, who contest already 2 billion, a drone at 5 billion. I think they will abstain from sex.
City,
yes, sir.
They will not abstain.
Those who do it,
they will do it and they will not even take. This one can pay free. We are not even getting people to test.
Good.
Do you understand? I currently have test kits that are going bad because you send test kits to screening places and you will not get anybody to come and test. But if I send condom, I'll not even bring back the empty box of the condom. You see, it's like, you see, Titi, look, if you test your HIV status, me, I know I am HIV negative. I don't have HIV. Going forward, even if you want to come and have sex with me, the first question I ask you, do you know your status?
Right now, we don't even care about our status anymore.
Yes.
Say a feeling.
Titi.
So that's in Canada. Nehiani so makodem.
Yes.
Dan na misi indomie. Nehiani so monya indomie bel kula no makodem. As the feelings, na baby, I love you no nkwana muka baby, I'll buy heaven and earth for you, baby. I'll give you my father. Kwasa nkwana, baby, actually no. Na my antwaso. So I know in everything we have prevention. So how can we prevent HIV/AIDS in Ghana?
The first preventive method for HIV is abstinence
From sex.
If you don't have sex, you will not get HIV. One day. If you can't abstain, come to B.
Okay.
The B, be faithful to a faithful partner.
Okay.
Titi, me and you, we are partners. All of us, we are HIV negative. We are having unprotected sex. Till death do we part. Will we get HIV?
No.
There will be no HIV until one person decides to break that bond.
Okay.
Because if you go outside, and maybe me, I am faithful to you. You have 3, 4, 5 partners outside. If one person, let's say you have Kofi Ama no, Kofi, Kojo, Kweku. And let's say Kweku has HIV. Kweku will give you HIV. Okay. You will give it to Kojo, Kofi. And definitely I will get HIV. Despite the fact that I'm being faithful to you. So be faithful to a faithful partner.
Okay.
Then you come to the third step, the C, condom use. Right now the youth are saying, and how can you take a toffee with the wrapper and the blood and the toffee with the wrapper? That is what you just hear with toffee and wrapper, toffee and wrapper and toffee and wrapper. We are just doing toffee and wrapper, toffee and wrapper. This is no, toffee and wrapper. Then the excuse we are having is toffee and wrapper. But right now you see there are condoms, because we started with toffee and wrapper. Right now there are condoms that doesn't feel like toffee and wrapper. Titi, Titi,
I'll not talk.
Titi. There are condoms that doesn't feel like toffee and wrapper. Why don't we get them and use them? You see, and the condom don't protect you from only HIV. It protects you from gonorrhea, from syphilis, from any other sexually transmitted.
Some people say they want it. They say they want skin to skin.
Titi, that one.
I'm a man cassava.
Titi, the skin to skin. Skin to. What would the skin to skin do for you? After how many minutes of skin to skin? Then you do what? Anyway, choose this day which you serve. Skin to skin, 20 minutes. Acha 20. Let me give people that. 20 minutes. Acha 20 minutes. Skin to skin. You are done. Then you compare it to your 1 hour or say 1 year, 2 years, 3 years of treating that gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV. Which one do you want? Choose this day which you serve.
Today I'm not talking.
And then Titi, another way also is boosting our immunity.
Okay.
Do you understand? You see, right now the youth have decided to use alcohol, red, smoking, eating junk food to they've added it to their lifestyle. You see, all those things weaken their immunity. Coupled with the fact that they don't like checking also. You don't go to the hospital to even check how you are. Somebody has not been to the hospital in 10 years.
Santiago.
I say, oh no dear, me hoye. But you see, we are forgetting that the body is a machine. It needs servicing. If you buy a car, you send the car to the mechanic. Send the body to the hospital. The hospital is the mechanic for the bodies. Send them there. And let's see whether they are well, they are fine. Then you can carry your car away.
No, what they check is their strength. Remember, I'm checking on strength. That's the only thing they check. Their strength. So, was it good? Was it nice? Was it long? So, what are the treatment options for HIV/AIDS, and can it be cured?
First of all, currently, there is no drug that has been recorded for a cure for HIV.
Okay.
Right now, we are classifying HIV in chronic illnesses, among the chronic illnesses, such as the hypertension and the diabetes and HIV. Do you understand? So it is once you are diagnosed with HIV, have it at the back of your mind until someone develops a cure for HIV, you are taking the medication forever.
Okay.
Like I said, there are medications. Formerly the medications, you take 6, you take 3, you take 2. Right now they have compressed it. 1 tablet a day.
Okay.
That is all. 1 tablet a day. And you are good to go. So there are medications that will help you. Like, you see, what the medication does is to boost your immune system and then to reduce the effects of the drug. So let's say this is the medication you are taking. It goes into your blood. So the more you take the medication, the more the viruses are being attacked or controlled. To the extent, say, even if you use your normal test kit that we have to check for the HIV virus in your blood, we wouldn't find it.
Okay. Bana the more one wo.
They are still there.
But they are not active.
They are not active. Because they don't know one no. I the waka or my own deny the ashe. But if you take the drug to a point, what hospital you see or who need be until we see your media, me do any bill. Immediately you stop that. We say one oh cow machine. They are also what? Putting on coats against the drug you are taking. Almost so they are also fighting back. So imagine say we say media me no me do any bill. Oh, you will get a grace period of maybe a year or two because still I'm more in Johnny B. After the 2 years, NASA cover away every bottle so. Now one AP. And no more PR. Break. And if you go back to taking the medication we have currently in Ghana, it won't do anything. And with that one, I can bet you within 2-3 years you are gone.
Which is you will die.
You will die. You will die.
So with HIV, you able to mean to us here. Unya virus now, you to me to us here.
You to mean to us here because I see a 2 BBS, so we are curing it. I am to mean to us, baby to me a canation.
Just manage it.
Yes, we can manage it.
And it's all you
Oh, Titi, you.
Okay, say you who are almost you to phone or almost back or young assassin. So people should abstain from says okay, prevention is better than cure. What say? My young child wants to my bar, you better was.
Like the alphabet letter Z. Tell them it's a national goal.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Obi benya wa nefi yade. Adofune ebusia be po wa nefi yade. Impo so wo keni so ho be fno wa nefi yade kroya. Enintina midi program anwaso amatu ni din Apomuden Akwantu mitremu a the journey of health mede bremo wasaaju medie mu ye besuanyama bebre ebino yen psychological condition mitremu our mental health well-being ye besansuasia ye medical condition ye physical aspect nyama ye be ya edi impuntu bebre ye nipadua ene ya Apomuden wasaaju medie mu nso ye betun safre ekukudam expert people, learned people, send your bear, you know, will be seen conja, you know what, Nancy, it's dear, no much tray, and yama, your bear, a boy, any pigeon. Now, by Hokra, I am a day in sex life. Which a dear monso, because our mental health is stable, not physical aspect me is stronger. Then section is so sweet and you know amazing. Was I do me dear monso and yet the bian your best na studio so a told the beer you don't
so and then on our topic we are talking about HIV/AIDS. Now your guests know or your experienceness. Yes, Officer Papa for 18 solid years or year nurse in a German just an okay piano the fact. As I said, Nidine dear, just sound. Nidine, I don't know, but I've tried, you know, I've tried. Now you're quite any man, Miss Ramo, latte MA primary school, latte MA primary school for your graduation on 22nd July 2025, Miss Ramo. Monko support, now Kalama ya dear. And from crèche, nursery, no matter me do class 6 or me graduate, the parents for no Mr. Ramo, adore for Monko support mom, banate. Now Mombo teachers knows one basso. Near Queen, the same graduation, Integrity Foundation School. So the next day, which is 23rd of July 2025, so they are having their graduation, Pepe, Pesa, and also Monko support. What I say, integrity, dear, Munti Integrity Foundation. Me alma mater to Miss Ramo. Me crowd be there. As I say, your back was a blazo, Sarafina. In Jagazon cover with na. Hey, officer, near to us so. What are the benefits of getting tested for HIV/AIDS? Benefits being for so the ben one if you test HIV/AIDS.
You see, most of the time, I just say, what we don't know does not kill us.
Okay.
Then with HIV, the first benefit you get when you test for HIV is if you test and you are positive, you receive treatment early. Try my immune system bubu cry and sana why they want to do so. No. Secondly, if you test and you are negative, going forward from that point onwards, you will become selective with your life choices. Nyama ya kacho say a man ma HIV ban, you abstain from them. Thirdly, so what check na oye negative, your quality of life improves because ABI you were formerly involved in promiscuous life. Over check here and you say, hey, ababo we am a boy any HIV. Put down also. Going forward, you don't expose yourself that much. So all your positive also, there are structures available to you. We have support groups.
Okay.
We have people like encouraging each other through journey, and your quality of life improves. And see, look, there are so many benefits when you get tested for HIV. Your life changes. So I don't know why we are deciding to share your dream, and what you don't know does not kill you. As for HIV, if you don't know, it will kill you.
But with the testing, questions or baby sound, but milk when you baby nurse be. How many sexual partners do you have? Into nam host ano only would do eh.
Titi, say that me kind. HIV is a call. You see, if we ask of your sexual partner when we are testing for HIV, you see, our aim is not to make you shy. Okay. Our aim is to help you and help your sexual partners. If you have one sexual partner, we encourage you to bring your sexual partner to be tested. Even if they are numerous, bring them.
All of them?
Yes. You see, when they are tested, it benefits you. Do you understand? Oh, well, Mr. Ochia, Mr. Odi, Mr. Oshaso, bring all of them and let them, until him say, hey, Mr. Ochia, only HIV, or your body. Mr. Odi, only HIV, or your body. Mr. Oshaso, only HIV, or your body. So you are okay. Bring them and let's test them. And you see, I can assure you, see, HIV counselors are very secretive. We are the most secretive people you can find when it comes to nursing.
Really?
Yes. We can keep secrets because we are bound by oath. Yes, we are bound by oath. In our practice, Titi, even though I'm an HIV counselor, Titi, if I say, oh, yeah, me back now, confirm a client, a be face up as all worrying. A man in Mahokan, and my main country, I will say, me bay, a sume see an enemy or HIV. A sume see no be sume, madam.
Na me baba worry. Now HIV no. Usi maswe oti nti me bena ware no so.
Me pacho umpene so kwampo a man and Mahokan, Emma, country of Banny say, a sume see way or HIV.
Me back on our baba in selection ye. What
is the possible maker? It's we are the most secretive people you can. Okay. Look, HIV counselors are most. We somebody said they've been through a lot.
Okay.
They've heard a lot. We've seen a lot. Say you see a day I no na yakasa. Ebia, in some president to me continue.
Of course.
Yes. So trust us. Come, let's talk, and let's give you quality of life. That's all.
And to say, almost says somebody what HIV is Yarinibia. How can you stay with that person in the community?
Dizzy, you and somebody can stay in a community with HIV.
Okay.
They are not harmful to the community until they engage in promiscuous sexual activities. Do you understand? So if somebody has HIV and is in the community, it's not a death sentence. It's not we don't have special wards for HIV people like we have for leprosy people. I will say we will send them to the leprosarium. No. Titi, if I share the same cup with you in the house, you will not get HIV. If I share the same spoon with you, you will not get HIV. If you use your towel, I use my towel, you will not get HIV. Please, you understand? So let's try and rise above that stigma of and I will be with HIV and or then the whole car said no. And look up on them. Bring them all inclusion. Inclusion. We have HIV positive babies or children going to the same school, sitting in the same class with your children.
So any
thank you. Did they want to be your mom?
Yeah, so boy, I can say yo.
So you see, allow us to let's be a same mom.
Okay.
Diana, look, it's better for you to know, say, Nipa na HIV than say you don't know. Because if you don't know, say Nipa no be do boni ubenyebi.
Okay.
Ubenyebi. Okay. So if the person tell you now Nipa na mutu ni na mo prevent someone.
Life still goes on. Okay. So now my next question here. What resources are available for HIV/AIDS support and education?
So HIV/AIDS support over the time. I will tell you right now, Ghana aye the home as a yakoye ni bebre research when it comes to HIV. Right now we have pre-exposure prophylaxis.
Okay.
When we say pre-exposure, say before you expose yourself to somebody with HIV, okay, there is treatment you take.
Okay.
Do you understand? So most of the time, multiple sexual partners. We have partners who one is positive, one is negative. That is why we always encourage disclosure. If you are a partner now who are positive, for you know your partner is negative, and you're testing know you're negative, there is a treatment we can put the partner on. Senebeya on HIV.
Okay.
That is an expression of love. Titi, Odomia, the best thing, the only thing you can do for me is disclosure. Parents mean himself, me wo. You got to see your partner no nibi. A draw why you bet to media man. And we pre-exposure prophylaxis. And yes, our post-exposure prophylaxis. Those that maybe they had a needle prick along the way, or you have been exposed to ABOB or HIV. Ususu say this sexual intercourse I had, Nipana meaning have a sex or HIV. There is treatment for you. Senebeya HIV. So what I say. We have support groups, HIV support groups. We have, look, there are so many opportunities work for HIV. The HIV education, you go schools, we give HIV education to children. We like about the existence of HIV. So there are lots that is going on when it comes to HIV.
Okay, there are lots that is going on when it comes to HIV. You better try and host some. You better enjoy it, you know so.
Sports.